Hello, am I audible to everyone? Okay. So today will be the session on project, like what kind of projects you're going to make and how you're going to make, what kind of tech stack you are going to use and how you can make it more unique. Okay. So good evening, everyone. I'll be presenting three Python development projects to you all. So each project focus on a different real world skills or like automation, web scraping, and web development. I'll walk you through their tech stack, how you can build them, and what makes them unique, and how you can ensure their success. So let's go for the first project, that is file organizer, or like by automating the script. Do anyone know what is automation? Any idea? Okay, see, basically automation means doing a simple task without a lot of manual efforts. Okay, yeah, automation is okay. So this particular project, that is file organizer, we all have messy folders filled with screenshots, PDFs, videos, and random zip files. Right. So this project solves that by creating a Python automation script that automatically organize all your files based on their types. So what the tech stack you're going to use, that is Python, that will be your main language. Then OS and Settle, these two are the libraries for interacting with the file system, logging to track the actions and errors. So these 3 points are, we can say, the base of the project. What extra you can add? You can add a GUI, or we can say interface, and you can add schedule. Okay, like you can automatically schedule it. For an example, by today you need to schedule it and sort all the files. Okay, by today 9 p.m. So let me explain you the steps. First step will be folder scanning. Okay, so you need to use OS function to get a list of files from our targeted dictionary. Then will be classification logic. The classification logic means you need to classify which file structure goes where, like, or you can say categorize them as documents, images, videos, or others. Then moving files. So you can use settle to move to transfer files into their new folders. The script, dynamically creates folder and sort them out. Okay, it create dynamically if they already exist. They don't exist. Then you can do logging, exceptional handling, scheduling, and all. If we discuss about how you can make this project unique, we can say you can add a GUI for folder section. You can add undo option, and also you can use a progress bar. Like, what is the progress of the distribution of the files? Okay, so what you need to do is that after creating the particular project, you need to test across the different dictionary, okay, or directories. Then you need to handle exceptions like permission error or something like that. Then you need to write a clear documentation, okay, like how a user that don't know how to use it can use it, or you can say a layman way, okay, like with the screenshots. And then I will ask the team to collect it from you guys. Okay. So, any doubt till here or in this particular project?
Then means, ma'am, graphical user interface is compulsory.
No, see, graph. I see the basic is to create a script. right?
Script, yeah, right.
If yeah, so if you add the graphical interface, it would be a unique project.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, that's the reason
Ma'am, actually the documentation is compulsory.
yeah, you need to do the documentation. So it will be easy for you. For an example, you're posting it on GitHub. Okay, the documentation is needed.
Okay,
You
okay.
need to do the project individually. See, guys, let me make one thing clear. Try to do it in a group. Okay, so that you get to know that how your communication skills are, how you're managing your team, and that those parts are very important other than the technical aspect. Okay, so try to do it in a group. That would be amazing. Okay, and if someone is dropping out of your group, try to convince them that okay, you can do it or something like that. And even like if there is no problem doing it individually, I would appreciate any kind of thing, but complete the projects. Till here, any doubt?
Ma'am, like for project one, like main work is first of all like classify files like document, images, videos, or other
Yeah,
files. Then we
yeah,
will organize that files for folder based,
yeah. You
and
need to
that
write a
like
script that would be that can organize them. Okay.
okay, and then like that full script like with made of the OS and SUTL libraries.
Yeah,
Okay, then ma'am, and we can also add the graphical user interface, right?
yeah, that would be amazing. Graphical user interface or undo button or progress bar. It depends on you.
We can also like made like we will make like a simple graphical interface, right?
Yeah, it's okay. You can make a simple graphical interface.
Okay, then ma'am.
The more you add the uniqueness to your project, that would make you stand out from others, right? So that would be an impression. Okay. Till here, any more doubts? Okay. Let's go to the next project. That is product price tracker. Okay. So we often check for product discounts online, right? Like for an example, let's talk about any skincare product. We check on Myntra, we check on Purple, we check on Nike and all to match whether which product is which product discounts are going on or which is a bit low in other applications. So this project automates that by tracking the prices of selected products and notify the user when the price drop below. Okay, like for you need to give a limit. If the price drops from that particular limit, then you will get a notification. Let's talk about the tech stack. You can use Python. You need to use Python. Beautiful Soup and Request are the libraries for web scraping. CSV, or you can use JSON. Better use CSV for saving the data. Then Gmail APIs for sending alerts or any other library you want to use. Schedule and font for automation. And then you can use like for the optional, you can have Flask plus chart.js, that is for visual dashboard. Okay, you can show there that how where your price are dropping from which like for an example, you're choosing Amazon and you're choosing one particular product. Okay, so from the like you need to show this week chart from day one, what was the price and what was the price at the last date, at the day 7. Okay, so let me give you a step-by-step explanation. First is fetching the web page. So you need to use request libraries to get to send a get request to the product page. Then using Beautiful Soup, you need to locate the product title and price tag by inspecting the website HTML structure. Then you can compare the price and then you can add a send email alert. So when the price drops below the limit, the script sends an email notification automatically using SMTP. Then you can automate it by schedule library, and you can make it check every few hours or daily. Okay, so let's talk about how you make it unique. You can use multiple product tracking, like by tracking multiple URLs at once. You can use SQLite database for storing price history. You can use Flask dashboard to visualize price changes, or you can use Telegram alert. Like other than getting notification in an email, you can instantly get notification in by Telegram. You have, I guess, everyone have seen the reels that where they would be showing that okay, you need to join our Telegram channel, so you will be getting amazing deals and all. So you can get the notification by that. And let me how to ensure that if that works properly or not. First is handling site structure. Okay, we need to use try and accept for error handling. Then add user agent header to avoid getting blocked, and optimize the code for multiple websites. And write a detailed configuration file for easy customization. For an example, I want to customize. I don't want this product. I want different product. How can I customize it? Am I clear? Any doubt? Anything?
No, ma'am, done.
Clear? Okay. So you can do a GUI, or you can show it in terminal output, or email. Like email alert screenshot would be amazing. Okay. Now that we
Like
have,
this is the
yeah,
like only for CLI based, right? Also,
yeah.
we can add a graphical user interface, but we can what we have to do, what we have to add in graphical user interface if we have to do that.
Okay, if you are going to attempt this particular project in graphical user interface, you can, for an example, you are showing multiple products. Okay, so as I have told you, you can show charts. Okay, so in charts, for an example, there is a hair product, or you can say a hair shampoo, a shampoo. So when you can check shampoo in a particular shampoo in different websites. Or you can add different website URL over there, and you can show the chart, like how the price are dropping or how the price are increasing.
Okay, ma'am. Like for different products for different website.
Yeah, from different website.
Okay.
Any
Okay,
others?
then
Sorry.
no. Like we can also that make that interface also simple.
Yeah, you can make it simple, or you can make it dynamic. There's no problem. It's your choice.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other questions, guys? Okay. So now that we have automated the task and scraped live data, let's see how we can bring all this knowledge together and build a real web app. Okay, using Flask. So the next project would be Flask to do web app. So this project focuses on building a mini task management web application. Where user can add, delete, and mark the task as complete. Let me tell you, it is a to-do list. Like you don't need to mention any date or something like that. It's just you can make the to-do list like for today only. Okay. So the tech stack, when we talk about it, Flask, Python web. It is a Python web framework. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap for front-end design, or anything you can take. For database, you can take SQLite, and templating, you can use your own. Like if anyone have any other idea, all for front end. Like in this particular project, front end is required. Okay. Then let me start for step-by-step explanation. First is Flask setup. So you need to start by initializing a Flask app and setting up the root. Then you need to create roots, that is like for home page, for adding tasks, or marking them done, or deleting them, anything like that. Then is HTML templates. You can use HTML templates, or you can use any other AI to make the front end. Okay. Then database integration, and then styling. So how you can make this this project unique? You can add a user login and authentication. You can add category and deadlines also. For an example, today task is I need to drink 3 liters of water. Okay, so by 10 p.m. I need to complete that. So it will be an alarm. Okay, or you can say it will be a notification will be there. Okay, then you can add dark mode toggle for aesthetics. You can create REST API endpoints for future mobile app integration, and you can deploy it. one more thing, like before your batch, there was another batch whose a team made this particular project, and the project was amazing. Why? The UI interface was different from everyone. They have used aesthetic as a beige brown aesthetic, so that would be a use it, make it as professional as possible or make it as gamified. Okay, it depends on you. So how you can ensure that this particular website work properly, you need to maintain clean folder structure, that is templates, stack text, roots, all the things should be maintained properly. Then you need to write complete documentation in layman manner. Then you need to test all the CRUD operation carefully. How many of you know what is CRUD operations?
Yeah, ma'am. Create, update, delete.
Create,
Update, delete, and read.
okay, right. Yeah, I guess everyone know what is CRUD. For those who don't know, it is create, read, update, and delete. These are the four main database operations. Okay. Now you need to add all the screenshots and live demo. You can link it in a documentation and you can post it in GitHub, or you will be sharing it to us. So it would be easy for you. Till here, is there any doubt? Okay, so I have completed all 3 projects. Now you guys can ask doubt, any kind of doubt. Okay.
Ma'am, we can do any two project from the 3, right?
Okay, that thing would be. I guess you have already notified, or you will be going to be notified. I don't know about it. Okay, so the team will contact you regarding that.
Okay, ma'am.
But what I am telling is that do all 3 projects, so it will be easy for you. Like you can choose which project is my best project, and I can show it for you guys.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other questions, guys?
Ma'am, will this
Yeah.
internship affect our CV?
See, you are doing all this kind of projects. So basically, this internship is to teach you end to end, like from starting from writing or documenting or sketching something to deploying it, right? So it would affect your CV. Like you can write it out that you have done this particular internship in your experience, and then you can write down what particular website you have done, and how this particular website is working, if it is already deployed or not, right? And what things you have learned through it. So that would obviously affect your CV.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other doubts? Anyone else? Any kind of doubt? Anything you want to ask?
Ma'am, these projects we have to from start from today, or first of all you will learn 2 hours and then we have to start.
See, the thing is project and the sessions will be going simultaneously, right? For an example, I'm teaching you today's session would, for an example, next session would be on the data types and all, but you need to start the project from from this particular date, okay, from today.
Okay.
So
Okay,
that
ma'am.
it would be easy for you. Like for an example, if there is a certain project presentation, you can at least show what you have done.
Yeah, ma'am.
Any other?
Ma'am, what about project submission?
Okay, about project submission, it
Do
would
you have
be
to
like
submit it at a time or separately, one by one?
that would be, I guess, told by the team. I don't have any idea about that. Okay.
Okay.
Any other? Raise any other doubts? Okay, I guess you guys don't have any doubts. So shall we wrap it up?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Thank you guys.
Thank you, ma'am.